Okay, hi, this is Alice Smith, and I'm going to talk to you about the Week 9 assignment. This assignment will directly relate to your capstone project. Okay, so it's really important that you get this. Some of you have wanted to start working ahead of time, and I've advised you not to do that until you find out how we're going to do this step we're doing right here. Now, the directions say that you have to have a title slide, a slide for 3 of the following, so it's one for one of the, pick 3 of these, and you have to have a slide for each one. All right, minimum of 5 slides. So your title slide, 3 here, a summary slide, and a reference slide. Someone can't add, so it's actually 6 slides. And then don't forget to add in this other stuff down here. I went ahead and done this on paper. I suggest you do this on paper just because you can get your thoughts better. Then put it into Word. It does have to go into Word. And so my title for this, and obviously I don't know my capitalization, Net Etiquette for Social Activities on the Internet. My name is Alice Smith, so this is going to be like one of those title slides that is in PowerPoint. My main topic is social networking etiquette, and I have picked 3 things. 1, 2, 3. The next one is instant messaging etiquette, and then I've picked 1, 2, 3. The next one I picked was Twitter, and then I picked 1, 2, 3. I have my summary, and I just went back up and picked one of those each. So 1, 2, 3, and then the reference slide. This is probably going to get long enough for me to walk you through this, but there's going to be 2 videos, all right? So this is what your initial work to become an outline looks like, all right? Once you type it in, you don't want to type it in with an A's, 1's, or anything else, okay? You need to get rid of, I'm putting this into a size that I like right now. Save this file once you type it in as outline. I was practicing and I've already had to delete what I was playing with because it just didn't line up right. For those of you that gets this right on the first time, I applaud you. Usually it takes me working at this a little bit. So, all right. So I'm going to highlight this information. I'm going to go to View, and then right here in View is Outline. Okay. And then you have all these little dots. All right. It doesn't know whether it's like a primary note or anything else. And then you have body text, and then level 1, level 2, and the different levels. You also have these arrows. You can add or make things go indent or not indent. I have it show all levels. And so right here, this is my primary level. So I'm going to go level 1. My name is fine right there. This is another level. So I'm going to make level 1 there. And then I have 3 here. And level 1 here. Be cautious when instant messaging. And then Twitter is another level. The summary, level 1. Okay, here's my reference. Level 1. This guy shouldn't be there. He needs to be indented with everybody else. And this is where it gets kind of interesting because he's not supposed to be doing that. It should be level 2. Okay, the thing is that you need to be consistent in how things are spaced. And sometimes this just won't accommodate you. So what you can do is just click here. Level 2. I'm making that, if you can't beat them, you join them. Level 2. Level 2. And you can smile at me if you want to during this. It's all right. Because this is relatively new to Microsoft Office. And personally, I don't use this a whole lot. All right, so level 2. All right, so now you have the consistency. That's what you're after. All right, so then you go File, Save As, and there's a reason for this, and I'll show you in a minute. I wanted to go in that folder of mine, that's why I clicked it. And Outline for PowerPoint. And I'm going to hit Save. Because the other outline is just my base document. So if I mess up, I can still go back and I don't have to recreate the will. Okay, so now when you go back, it says close outline view. Okay, don't freak. It's going to look like that. Okay, that's okay. Not a problem.